So first of all, I have already prepared a mind map for it. So while talking about the mind map, so for each and every tag, what is its functionality? Likewise, we have built a lot of things for you. Okay. So step by step, we are going to include one by one tags, and we are going to create one complete project. Okay, that's how the journey is going to be. Okay. So while talking about the first program, so let me delete this. Hello everyone. Whenever you are starting writing your HTML code, always people will be begin with tag and HTML. That's it. But a lot of people are not covering up these type of advanced part. So tag, exclamatory, document, doc type, which is HTML. So why we are doing this is, guys, and it's a very important thing. Right now, whatever the things which we are learning to create an awesome standing website, we are not only going to focus on design, we are going to focus on SEO, search engine optimization, because the company is itself, they are going to promote themselves. That for the promotion, the medium, the website which you are going to create. The website is the showcasing a medium for all the company. So that's why you need to create the website to be compatible with all the browser. You need to create the website to be processing all the special characters and emojis properly. So likewise, you need to create the website to be fully functional. What if you are creating a website and company launched it, but suddenly that website is not working in the mobile phone properly? Definitely, then it is really worst work, right? So that's why we are going to learn every aspects. On that first aspect, the first tag which we are going to work on is doc type HTML. What is this tag will be really helpful for us. Whenever your website is processing your HTML file, it will use the standard mode, okay? Because there are a lot of other mode as well. So to execute that your HTML file in a standard mode, first of all, you need to begin with doc type HTML. So it will make sure that complete page has been, that complete page has been using the standard mode to execute or to visualize or to create the structure. Okay, that's what the first tag or first line. And second thing, always people will be, people will be writing the codes like this. Okay, for example, they'll be writing, so HTML. So likewise, people will be writing like this. Guys, yes, it's true. Yeah, so definitely we will be writing the HTML tags like this. But whenever you are creating a website for the company, that company might from different languages, because some site might be for French or something. So that's why, to make sure the language is English, so you can use HTML tag open. So always remember, this is tag open and this is tag close, and open it and HTML space language. So language is the keyword here we are using to define what language. Okay, EN means English, FR means French, I think so. So likewise, right now we are making sure our website is executing your HTML program or processing the HTML code which you are writing, which is on English language. So that's what the second line. Guys, are you all really hearing these things for the first time? Because always people used to expect I'm going to start it with a normal tag and HTML and close tag HTML. That's it. Okay. So we have specified the language. Okay. The language which we are using is English. So we are really defining it. Guys, every explanation which has been given in the mind map, guys, definitely I'll be showing that later. But before that, let us build the project. So once we have did that, we have up to now, we have created just a language. So now we need to create, the head tag. So while talking about the head tag, so here we used to, while talking about the head, there are a lot of things which is needed to be present in the head. Guys, always remember, whenever you are seeing this website, okay, the Pantech solutions, I hope a lot of people might not know about SEO, which is nothing but search engine optimization. For example, whenever you are typing artificial intelligence, 30 days masterclass. Okay, so whenever you are typing here, AI masterclass day 1 by 30 by Sanjay Kumar Pantech Solutions. It is the first YouTube URL which has been shown on the YouTube. So it is based on a SEO. Search in that website, or we are really holding that keyword called 30 days masterclass. The first position. That is what add something. On adding something, the first thing which a lot of people are not aware about is a meta tag. It is not Facebook meta. Okay, don't think it is a Facebook meta. No, it is not that meta. It is different. Okay, it is just a keyword. Okay, even if you really wanted to know about it, you can just scroll, or you just keep your mouse cursor. You can see the meta element represent various kinds of metadata that cannot be expressed using the title, baseline, style, and script element. Likewise, you can able to see the information about it. So what is this char set is equals to UTF-8? Guys, always remember, whenever you are creating, the website, it is going to have some encoding scheme. So UTF-8 is a universal character encoding standard, because whenever you are creating a website, sometimes if you are using some special characters or written in different language, or any symbols if you are using it, that need to be detected properly. What if in the complete website, whenever you have used the emoji, but if your site is displaying that emoji is like a null character, definitely that is going to create a very bad impression for the website visitors, right? That's why we are really using this type of universal character encoding to get our symbols and those things to be very proper. So meta tag char set is equals to UTF-8. Why? There are a lot of encoding types there. So UTF-8 or 16. So likewise, there are a lot of types there. But UTF-8 is standard and universal encoding, the word. So that's why we are using this UTF-8. Are you clear about this, guys? Okay, to proper or to to analyze or to process those symbols and special characters properly, we are setting up the meta character set is equals to UTF-8. That's what the first line. And second important line, the very, very important line. guys, whenever people are creating a website, this Pantech Solutions, let us consider the sample Pantech Solutions website. It is going to be visible, it is going to be displayed, or it is going to be shown from the normal laptop. It is going to be shown from the MacBook. It is going to be shown from the iPhones, or it is going to be shown from the Android bigger display mobile phone, or it is going to be shown from the 13-inch laptop, or it is going to be shown on the tablet. Right? I hope you all know that, right? One single website is going to be shown by a lot of devices, shown from a lot of devices. So that's why, to make sure, okay, for right now, let me expand this, guys. To make sure, which has been displayed it properly. So displayed it properly in the sense, what is it? Sorry. Yeah. So to display it properly, so here we are using meta space name is equals to viewport. Why we are doing that is content is equals to width is equals to device hyphen width. What does it mean? Whenever you are seeing, this type of display, it need to be adjusted for the whole complete width, right? So that device width, based on the devices people are using for that device width, that complete website need to occupy. So that's what width is equals to device hyphen width. And next thing, initial hyphen scale is equals to 1.0. So what does it mean is, whenever people are visiting into the certain website, you can see this one, right? So look at that, 250% zoom, and 75% zoom out, and 100% zoom in, 125 zoom in, 150 zoom in. So this is the thing, right? So to make on every device, initial scale is 1.0, which is nothing but 100%, the visual look. So that's what the second line is. So that's how, okay, that need to be occupied the complete width of the device, and also it need to be, it need to be properly be on the zoom ratio of 100%. Okay, it should not be 80% or 120 or something. So it need to be optimized for 100%. So that's what the second very important line. And then the very important meta. Actually, here you are seeing meta all, that kind of one of the tag we are using. But this caret or the name, everything which is going to be on the meta. So that's why we are using those default name. On that, the name, whenever the description of that content which you are creating. Okay, so whenever you are visiting the website like this. Okay, if you are visiting a certain website like this, for every page there it is going to have a unique description, and it is going to have a unique name on it. So that's why in creating HTML itself, we are giving that meta information. So meta information is going to be really, really very helpful for the SEO. So in that meta name description we have given, and for the content I've given personal profile page of Sanjay. And of course, what you do, you just please create personal profile page of your name. Just do it. That's what the description we are giving for the whole complete page we are creating. So that's what we are creating. And next thing what we are going to do is, so whenever we are creating a website, you can see it has been just showing, the file name main.html. But we don't want that main.html to be shown. Okay, you just imagine home.html, courses.html, product.html. No, it really need a specific title for every pages. So that's why we are using the title tag. So title open tag and title close tag. Inside we have given the name like Sanjay's profile, right? So we have did this program and open your browser and refresh it. Look at that. On the top, you can see Sanjay's profile. Okay, it is not showing main.html or something. It is showing Sanjay's profile. That's what we have did in this tab. We have given the title for the website. And after that, if you have clearly noticed another very important thing, it is showing some browser icon, right? So I don't want that browser icon to be displayed there. I don't want that. Instead, what I did is in my, wait a minute, let me show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to download some icon from the certain website, and I'm going to have it in my directory. Okay, look at that, achievement.ico. Okay, even I think I've given the site in this material. First one, which is icon-icons.com. So what you can do is you can visit that certain website if you really want any icon. I'm telling. Okay, it is not a mandatory step. I'm just telling you if you really wanted to do that, you can just do. Okay, for an example, let me type like a trophy or something. Okay, so I'm just showcasing my personal website, right? So here, this is really looking awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it, and I'm going for an extension called .ico, and you can click ICO. Okay, so whenever you are clicking that .ico, so your icon will be downloaded. So what you just do is you just download it. Okay, and you just keep it in your directory itself. Don't keep it anywhere else. Just keep it in your directory. And I'm going to give the name like icon.ico. So something like that. I'm going to give the name. So why I did that is because I want the icon need to be displayed on the title. So I'm going to come here, and here instead of achievement.icon, I'm going to give the name like icon.ico. So I'm going to give icon.ico. That's it. Okay. So link which can be done with the help of link and rel. Okay. So here we have given this attribute. So L, which is a relationship, is equals to icon. For the icon, it is going to refer. Okay, it is going to refer that specific URL or whatever. But here we have the file in the directory, so it is going to automatically take it from the directory icon.ico, which the type is image or x-icon. That's what. Okay. So once you have did that, and just open that page. Let me close it. So whenever you are hitting enter, ta-da, you can see the trophy. Okay, we have got an icon at the top. Even you can put your picture there. Okay, that's very good. So if you really want, you can just bring that title, the icon in your home section. That also can be done. Okay, so it's completely done right now. The complete head part, which is being done, head part is got over. Okay, we have completed the head part.